Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and hello, everyone. We're really happy to have you with us today.
If you enjoy learning English through real conversations, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily so you don't miss our future lessons.
Today, we're talking about something very important for language learning and for life in general.
Yes, today's topic is motivation.
More specifically, how to talk about your motivation in English. Why do you do the things you do? What makes you start? And what helps you continue?
Exactly. Let's discover this together in simple, natural English.
So, Olivia, how are you today?
I'm really good, Jack. I had a nice cup of coffee this morning, and it gave me a lot of energy.
Coffee is a powerful motivation to wake up early. My motivation this morning was breakfast. I was extremely hungry.
That's a very strong motivation. Food is always a good reason to get out of bed.
Absolutely. So, tell me, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do. My plan is to clean my apartment.
Clean your apartment? For fun?
Not for fun at all, but my motivation is that I feel much better when my home is clean and tidy. It makes me calm and happy.
I understand that. A clean home really does help your mood. What about you? What's your motivation for the weekend?
Honestly, my motivation is relaxation. I work hard during the week, so my motivation for the weekend is to do nothing and eat snacks.
That sounds very honest. We all have different motivations, and that's perfectly normal.
So, motivation sounds like a big word, but it's actually very simple.
Yes, motivation is just the why behind what we do.
It's the reason, the engine, the thing that pushes you to act.
Exactly. So let's start with a simple question. What motivated you to get out of bed this morning, Olivia?
Honestly, the smell of coffee coming from the kitchen.
That's a great example. A small motivation, but still a motivation.
So I could say, the smell of coffee motivated me to get up.
Yes, that's correct. But in real life, we often say something simpler like, I got up because I wanted coffee.
And that's also talking about motivation. Now let's talk about bigger motivations. Many of our learners have motivations for work, study, travel, or family.
That's true. So, Olivia, let me ask you something.
Okay.
Last year, I tried to learn Spanish. Do you remember why I started?
Yes, I do. Your motivation was a holiday, right?
Exactly. We planned a trip to Spain, and I was very motivated. I learned useful phrases like, ¿Dónde está la playa? Where's the beach?
Very important phrase.
And por favor, of course.
Always important.
But then the trip was canceled.
Oh no, so what happened to your motivation?
It disappeared, just like magic. Without the holiday, my reason was gone, and I stopped practicing.
That's a very important lesson. Sometimes our motivation is connected to one specific goal.
And when that goal disappears, our motivation disappears too.
Exactly. So what did you do after that?
At first, I felt sad for about a week. Then I thought maybe I can find a new motivation.
That's a great idea.
My friend Carlos speaks Spanish, so I decided my new motivation was to talk with him in Spanish, just for fun.
That's wonderful. Your motivation changed from travel to connection.
Yes, now my motivation is a person, not a place. I want to make my friend laugh with my Spanish jokes.
That's a beautiful motivation. So, for our learners, maybe you start learning English for an exam or a job.
But later, your motivation can change.
Maybe it becomes a new friend, a movie, or confidence when speaking.
And that's okay. Motivation is allowed to change.
Now let's talk about motivation at work. Many people spend a big part of their life working, so motivation here is very important.
That's true. So, Olivia, you work at a garden center. You always sound very happy about your job.
Yes, I really love it.
So, what motivates you at work? Why do you enjoy it so much?
First of all, I love plants. They make me feel calm and peaceful, so my main motivation comes from inside me.
You do it because you love it.
Exactly. But there's another motivation too. When I help a customer choose the right plant and they smile and say thank you, that feeling motivates me even more.
So you have two types of motivation.
Yes, one comes from inside, because I love nature. The other comes from outside, from helping people.
In big English words, we call them intrinsic and extrinsic motivation.
But don't worry, you don't need to use those big words. You can just say, I do this because I love it. Or, I do this because it makes people happy.
This is a great conversation topic in English. You can ask someone, what do you enjoy most about your work?
That question is really natural and polite.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Jack, what do you enjoy most about your job?
I enjoy helping people create beautiful gardens. I like being creative and working with nature.
That's a lovely answer. Now let me answer.
Okay. Jack, what do you enjoy most about your job at the bookstore?
I enjoy discovering new books and sharing them with customers. It feels like I'm a treasure hunter, finding something special for each person.
Now let's talk about something very real. What happens when we don't feel motivated?
Oh, that happens to everyone.
Even when we like something, motivation can disappear.
For example, on Saturday, I think, I should clean my apartment.
You know it's good for you.
Yes, I know I'll feel better later, but my motivation is zero. I just want to watch football.
So what's the problem?
The problem is the task is too big. Clean the apartment sounds scary and boring.
Exactly. So you need a strategy.
A small motivation for a small task.
Right. Don't think I must clean everything. Think I will clean the coffee table for 5 minutes.
And after that, I can watch football.
That's a reward.
Yes, and it works surprisingly well.
This idea is perfect for learning English.
Many learners think, I must become fluent.
That's a huge and scary goal.
Instead, think small.
For example, today I will learn 3 new words about food.
That's a small hill, not a big mountain.
And after that, give yourself a reward.
A cup of tea, a short video, or your favorite song.
Small goals and small rewards create strong motivation.
Now let's learn some useful English phrases.
We already used because and I want to.
Another common one is, I'm doing this for.
For example, I'm learning English for my career.
Or, I'm studying hard for my family.
For shows purpose.
We can also use so that.
This one explains the result you want.
For example, I'm practicing pronunciation so that people can understand me better.
Or, my brother exercises every day so that he stays healthy.
Now let's talk about the opposite. What demotivates us?
For me, comparison is a big motivation killer.
Yes, when you see someone who speaks perfect English and think, I'll never be like them.
That thought kills motivation.
You shouldn't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20.
I love that example.
So who should you compare yourself to?
Your past self.
Last month, you knew 10 words. Now you know 50.
That's progress.
And progress is motivating.
Let's do a role play.
Okay,
I'm the English teacher. You're the student who lost motivation.
got it.
Hello, Jack. How is your English practice going?
Not very well, teacher. I'm not motivated. English feels too difficult.
I understand. Why did you start learning English?
Because I like English songs. I want to understand the lyrics.
That's a great motivation. Do you still like English songs?
Yes, I love them.
Then forget the textbook for 1 week. Listen to one song, read the lyrics, and learn 3 new words.
No tests?
No pressure, just fun.
That actually sounds enjoyable.
Sometimes the best motivation is joy. Now let's move to practical examples. We'll show you how to talk about motivation in different real-life situations.
Situation 1. A university interview.
I'm the professor. You're the student, Jack.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, Jack. Welcome. Please tell me, why do you want to study environmental science at our university?
Thank you for the opportunity. My main motivation comes from my hometown. When I was a child, the river there was clean and beautiful. Today, it's polluted.
That's very sad.
Yes, I'm motivated to learn how to solve these problems. I want to protect nature and help my community. My goal is to make my hometown healthy and beautiful again.
That's a strong and personal motivation. We look for students who are driven by real responsibility.
Situation 2. A performance review.
I'm your manager now.
All right.
Jack, thank you for your hard work this year. Looking ahead, what motivates you? What kind of projects would you like to work on?
I'm motivated by teamwork. I enjoy working with people and solving problems together. I'm also motivated by learning new skills.
So, collaboration and growth motivate you.
Exactly. Projects with new challenges keep me engaged and productive.
Situation 3. Talking to a friend who feels unmotivated.
I'll be the tired friend.
Okay.
I don't want to go to the gym anymore. What's the point? I'm too tired.
I understand. But remember last month when you ran for the bus and didn't feel exhausted? You felt strong and proud.
That's true.
That good feeling is your motivation. Not just how you look, but how you feel.
Maybe I don't need 1 hour at the gym.
Exactly. Think about a 15-minute walk with your favorite music.
That sounds possible.
Situation 4. A first date. You ask the question.
Olivia, what motivates you in life? What's really important to you?
I'm motivated by growth. I love learning new things and improving myself. I'm also motivated by connection, real and honest relationships.
That tells me a lot about you.
Situation 5. Studying together.
Okay. I need motivation for grammar. It's boring.
Let's make it fun. Our goal is to write a silly story using past tense, maybe about a cat who became a chef.
And the reward?
We read it with funny voices.
I'm motivated now.
Situation 6. Asking for a promotion.
Why do you want to become a team leader?
I'm motivated by helping others succeed. I enjoy mentoring new colleagues. I want to build a supportive and productive team.
That's a strong motivation. Situation 7. Parent-teacher conversation.
Hello, my son has lost motivation for math. How can we help him?
Often, motivation comes from understanding purpose. If we connect math to his interests, motivation can return.
So we need to find his why.
Final situation. A simple chat.
Good morning, Jack.
You're always smiling during your morning run. What keeps you motivated?
The sunrise. It's my daily reward, and it makes me feel amazing all day.
Let's review some powerful motivation words.
Drive, your inner engine.
Passion, strong love for something.
Purpose, deep meaning in life.
Ambition, desire to achieve something big.
Incentive, external reward.
Apathy, lack of motivation.
Inspiration, the spark.
Perseverance, continuing even when it's hard.
Determination, strong decision.
Fulfillment, deep satisfaction.
Mindset, your way of thinking.
Motivation is not something you find once.
It's like a garden. You plant a seed and water it every day.
Some days are sunny,
Some days are cloudy.
but growth still happens.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
What is one small, joyful motivation you have for learning English this week?
Share it in the comments below. Your answer can inspire someone else.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You are doing something amazing.
Every word matters.
Keep watering your garden. See you next time on Easy English Daily. Bye for now.